Hey guys, what's up? This is Akash, and in this video I'm going to talk about a tea, a type of tea which has 15 times more antioxidants than blueberries and 3 times more antioxidants than any grade A green tea, that is very high quality green tea, and 137 times more antioxidants than any low grade green tea that you find in the shelves of your supermarkets. Before we go ahead, let me just give you an overview what antioxidants are. So on one hand, you have these free radical, these compounds that have an extra electron in the outer shell, and because of that they are very unstable and causes a lot of tissue damage and accelerates aging. And on the other side, you have these antioxidants, these nutrients that have an extra electron in their outer shell, and they're ready to donate that electron to the free radicals and make them stable so that they help you to prevent aging. No, we all have to die one day. You cannot prevent aging. You can slow down aging and reduce the risk of chronic diseases. So this green tea that I'm talking about, how does it differ from any other green tea? So when you brew a green tea, a normal regular green tea, you either use tea bags or you have the tea leaves. So the water, when you're boiling green tea, the water can only extract a fraction of the benefits from this green tea. But when you have the tea that I'm talking about, and that is the royal matcha tea, it's called the matcha tea. It is powdered tea. If you can see, it's powdered leaves. This is powdered leaves. So when you make these, when you boil this tea, you get all the benefits of the leaves, and that's why they are high in antioxidants. What else? So what are the other health benefits of matcha besides providing an arsenal of vitamins, minerals and antioxidants, much more than any other green tea on the planet? I can think of another benefit, and that is matcha provides alertness and calmness at the same time. What I mean by that is, think of the time when you drink coffee, right? You feel alert, extremely alert for say 30 to 45 minutes, but after that you usually need another shot, and if you drink more than 3 to 4 cups, you start to feel a bit nervous and jittery. At least I do, but that's not the case with matcha, because matcha has got besides some amount of caffeine, that is 35 mg, it has got a very rare amino acid called L-theanine that promotes a state of relaxation and calmness at the same time. So if you want to detox and purge the toxins out of your fat cells and want to boost in your metabolism and alertness in the morning, 1 or 2 cups of matcha in the morning is the best way to do so, and is the best alternative for coffee that I can think of. So matcha is the way to go.